Alright, men. Today we're going to kill a few scum. And I got some backup here, just in case. Looks like the battle's already starting. Oh god, they have, this is gonna be hard to get through. Come on, yeah! Looks like the battle's... I planned for this! Don't worry, I planned! Go get them, my minions! Go get them! Oh god, I'm stuck. Oh god, a horsey, I'm gonna abandon you here. Oh god, okay. Bye, horsey. Aw, you're coming towards me. I gotta spawn more minions. Spawn more minions! Ah, don't come after me. Idiots, go for the ones that can actually fight. Oh god. Oh god, I'm not good in battle. Where'd my horse go? Oh no, I just murdered my own horse. Oh, great job, Potato King. Come on. This has to be overwhelming soon, right? They have to win. You have so many shovels and swords and stuff. It's hard not to win. Yeah, this sword is terrible. This sword is terrible. You idiots are really knocking on one door. Well, can't blame me for trying. Goodbye, village. Fire. You idiots! Move out of the way and I can burn it for you. There we go. Burning their only hope. Goodbye. Oh my god, loads of them are dying. Oh no. Well. Oh, this area is quiet. Burn it! Burn the crops. Burn the fields of sunflowers. Burn the trees. Oh, hello. Ah! Well, hello to you too. Oh. Hello. Just spawn more minions. I've conquered this land. If you guys want to see a tour of my Minecraft world and some more battle videos like this, I could just see how many waves these get, or I could try to survive from my guys. So maybe I'll get like some multiplayer action going on here, where I build like a fortress or something. Somebody else plays with me and like creates an army out front, like maybe 5 or 6 potato soldiers, or what. I'm just gonna call them potato soldiers right now because they look like them. I'm too lazy to call their actual name because I've forgotten their actual name. Right now I'm just role playing nothing. Right, if you want to see this turn into a series, hit that like button, or hit the dislike button. It helps me out either way. Goodbye, everybody. Oh, wait. Burn! Burn! Goodbye.